A very warm morning to everyone. On the eve of August 14, 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose to make a Maidan speech in New Delhi. And he told, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Now, India is the largest democratic country and stands in unity and diversity. Now, as we comfort in our home, but not to comfort the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Being citizens of India, we must grow up through nationalistic and patriotic sentiments. Our school is the best to inculcate that spirit even in this crucial situation of COVID pandemic. With the spirit of proudness, let us begin our today's program. Prayer is the link to connect us with God. So let us surrender ourselves to God. Now I invite Bhumika and Bhuvan for the prayer song.
ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶನ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಿಘ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಗಿಸುವಂತ ಭಕ್ತ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸೋಣ. ಭಕ್ತ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸೋಣ. ಕರಿಮುಖ ಗಣಪ ಕಾಯೋ ಎಂದು ದಿನ ದಿನ ಪೂಜೆಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕರುಣಾನಯನ ಕೃಪಾ ಕಟಾಕ್ಷ ಗಂಧಾಕ್ಷತೆಯ ಪಡೆಯೋಣ. ಗಂಧಾಕ್ಷತೆಯ ಪಡೆಯೋಣ. ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ಕೊಡುನಿ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಭಜನೆಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯೋಗವ ಭೋಗವ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಡುವ ದಾತಗೆ ಹೂವನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಣ. ದಾತಗೆ ಹೂವನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶನ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಿಘ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಗಿಸುವಂತ ಭಕ್ತ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸೋಣ. ಭಕ್ತ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸೋಣ.
Thank you friends for your heart-touching prayer. The school felt honored to welcome you all for our virtual celebration. Let's have Ranjita for the glad welcome speech.
The galaxy of intellectual parents, teachers and my dear friends. A pleasant morning to you all. On the bright morning of 15th August 1947, India achieved freedom from British rule. This day from then was finally declared as Independence Day and celebrated every year across the country. I deem it as great pleasure and privilege to be in front of you in this virtual celebration of Independence Day. On behalf of school management, teachers and the students, I welcome you all to our Independence Day virtually. We feel honored to have with us Mr. T.G. Narayanappa sir, founder secretary of N.H. Olisar Public School, a person who always ready to walk extra miles with walk of life for the cause of education. On behalf of our school, we extend a warm welcome to you, sir. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our beloved HM of N.H. Olisar Public School, Mrs. Lakshmi Devi Nagaraju ma'am, a marvelous human being. No doubt we are lucky to have you as our HM. Heartily welcome to you, ma'am. I take great honor to welcome dear teachers who shape our lives and make us to be good citizens of this society. We welcome dear teachers with our grateful heart. Behind every successful child, there is a parent behind who gives them vision for a life. I would like to welcome our parents for making us great. Heartily welcome to you, dear parents. To do the useful thing, to say the courageous thing, to contemplate the beautiful thing, that is enough for one student's life. Without you, there is no successful program from bottom of heart. I welcome you all for this wonderful virtual Independence Day celebration. Once again, I welcome you all to put your shoulders on wheels to make this event a grand success. Will you stay safe? Jai Hind.
Thank you Ranjita for your warm welcome speech. Flag is a symbol of our pride, glorious history and freedom. So let us salute our national flag as watch it being hoisting. I request all of you
Happy Independence Day to all Indians.
Flag is our identity. I hope you all remember that the flag has been hoisting. Thank you, sir and teachers, to make us the witness of flag hoisting ceremony. Teaching not from lip to ear, but it from heart to heart. So let us have our HM Mrs. Lakshmi Devi Nagaraj ma'am to share her opinion with us.
Good morning, everybody. On behalf of our school, I welcome you all for this virtual Independence Day celebration. We took birth on this great land as one identity, but our rich culture made us to show the power of unity and join us to celebrate this 75th year Diamond Jubilee of our Independence Day together. Today, we have to pay our tribute to all the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life, and also I request all of you to remember the people who are working tirelessly and sacrifice their life to save us from the COVID-19 infection. Each one of us and entire world is affected a lot by the corona pandemic. Our economy, communities, families, way of life affected by the scare of infection. But we must stand strong and face this pandemic with positive attitude. At last, I greet to everyone, those who are living in this beautiful country, to have patriotism, spirit, and prosperity. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your enlightened speech. Now we have Mukesh to talk to us about two visual concepts, freedom and responsibility through Kannada speech.
ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ಶಿರಬಾಗಿ ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು, ಮಹಾನ್ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ವೀರರನ್ನು ಮನಸಾರೆ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15, 1947ರಂದು ಭಾರತವು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಹಿರಿಯರು, ಸೈನಿಕರು ಆಂಗ್ಲರ ದಾಸ್ಯತ್ವದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ ಈ ಸುದೀನದ ನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ, ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಹಳ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿದ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಸರ್ದಾರ್ ವಲ್ಲಭಭಾಯಿ ಪಟೇಲ್, ಚಾಚಾ ನೆಹರು ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವವನ್ನು ಸವೆಸಿ ಜೀವದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರ ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಸಂತಸದಿಂದ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತೆ.
Thank you, Mukesh, for the speech. Once upon a time, our vision was to gain freedom. But what's our vision today? To lighten up about this, we have here Sharat for the speech in English.
Good morning to all. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India. India got freedom on August 15, 1947 from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. This day is remembered as the first day of freedom to India. As well, we should remember all the great leaders who sacrificed their life in getting freedom for India. We are so lucky that our forefather has given us a land of peace and happy, that we can sleep whole nights without any fear and enjoy whole day at home. Our country is developing very fast in field of technology, education, sports, and in various other fields, in which we are actively participating in sports like Olympics, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games. We have full rights to choose our government and enjoy the largest democracy all over the world. Some of the great freedom fighters of India are Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, Bhagat Singh, etc. They were famous patriots who struggled a lot for the freedom of India until end of their life. Today, our country is well-known, established, democratic country all over the world. Now, it's time to take an oath of being highly responsible and well-educated citizen of tomorrow's India. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sharad, for your informative speech. Let us lend our ears to hear Hindi patriotic speech. Now we have Ramcharan for the speech in Hindi.
मानवीय प्रधानाचार्य, सम्मानित अतिथि, योग्य शिक्षकों, मेरी साथी छात्रों को सुप्रभात और 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। यह दिन हमारे देश के इतिहास में एक महत्वपूर्ण दिन है, जिस पर हमें 74 साल पहले स्वतंत्रता मिली थी। गुलामी एक अभिशाप है। यह रक्त और एक राष्ट्र की ऊर्जा को चूसता है। हमारा राष्ट्र की स्थिति इससे बेहतर नहीं थी। ब्रिटिश शासन से भारत को 15 अगस्त 1947 को आजादी मिली। प्रिय दोस्तों, आज हम जिस आजादी का आनंद ले रहे हैं, वह हमारा पूर्वज और हमारा महान नेताओं द्वारा किए गए बलिदान और संघर्ष का परिणाम है। हमारा देश दुनिया के प्रगतिशील और शक्तिशाली देश है, लेकिन अभी भी हमारा देश में बहुत सी समस्याएं हैं, जैसे गरीबी, अशिक्षा और बेरोजगारी आदि। हमें इनसे लड़ना होगा और हर क्षेत्र में सफलता लाने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा। प्रिय दोस्तों, एकता में ताकत है, इसलिए हमें एकजुट होना होगा। हमें आज यह वचन देना होगा कि हम अपनी जमीन को कभी नुकसान नहीं होने देंगे। हमें एक भारतीय होने पर गर्व महसूस करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वह दिन दूर नहीं जब हमें दुनिया के सबसे शक्तिशाली देश होंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत माता।
Thank you, Ramcharan, for your inspirational speech. The root of happiness is gratefulness. On behalf of our school, we have Trisha through vote of thanks.
Honorable Secretary Mr. T.G. Narayanappa sir, beloved HM Lakshmi Devi ma'am, respected teachers, parents and my dear friends, good morning and happy Independence Day to you all. I feel proud to propose this vote of thanks. We are all grateful to our all freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for the independence of our country. We are highly grateful to our Secretary Mr. T.G. Narayanappa sir for giving his valuable time for us. We are thankful to you, sir. I would like to express our deep sense of thankfulness for our HM, Mrs. Lakshmi Devi ma'am, for taking initiative in arranging this program. I would like to thank our teachers, parents and my dear friends for their wonderful cooperation throughout the event. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day.